Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Apple Card payment alerts with wallet on iPhone. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the wallet app. Tap on the wallet app to open it. Once the app is open, look for your Apple Card. Select your Apple Card to access its details. Now, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open the settings for your Apple Card. Scroll down until you see the option for notifications. Tap on notifications to access the alert settings. Here, you will see different types of alerts available. Enable the toggle for payment alerts. You can customize the frequency of these alerts as well. Choose your preferred notifications for spending, payments, and balances. After making your selections, exit the settings. Your Apple Card payment alerts are now enabled. You will receive notifications according to your specified preferences. Check your notification settings in the main settings app if needed. Ensure that notifications for the wallet app are also allowed under general settings. Now you are all set to receive alerts about your Apple Card payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.